Install Android 9.0 Pie on Xiaomi Mi A1 via AOSP ROM. Please check the description for important notes and download links. Step 1. First download ROM and GApps file, then transfer the downloaded files to the phone storage. Link is available in the description below. Step 2. Boot your device into TWRP Recovery. Step 3. Once in TWRP, go to Wipe, Advanced Wipe, and select the check boxes as shown in the image, excluding internal storage. Step 4. Swipe the button to wipe the device. Step 5. Go back to the recovery main screen, and tap on the Install button. Step 6. Navigate to the storage, and select the ROM zip file. Step 7. Finally, swipe the button on the screen to install the selected ROM file.